Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will see how to change the refresh rate on Windows 11. This is the rate at which your display draws a new frame and is measured in frames per second or hertz. Maybe you want to make use of your monitor's capabilities. We'll also look at all the monitor's resolution and refresh rate modes. The page where we can change these settings is called Advanced Display. I'm gonna close it and see how we can get here. We just need to right click on the desktop, anywhere on the desktop, and left click on display settings. On this page we want to scroll down and look for advanced display, which is in related settings. Left click to open it. And here we can change the refresh rate. First you want to have a look over here at the top right to see which display you are changing the settings for. If you have multiple displays, you can just left click and select the monitor that you want to tweak. We have our laptop's display, and when you want to choose the refresh rate, you just need to left click on this button on the right. It is currently set to 60 Hz. If you left click, it will show you all the modes. Unfortunately, we don't have a laptop monitor that's capable of a different refresh rate. But if we left click over here at the top and select our external display, we will see that we have some different refresh rate modes. I'm gonna left click on 50 Hz. And what Windows does is asks you if you want to keep these display settings. You can left click on keep changes or revert to return to the previous settings. But it will automatically return in 15 seconds. This is in case something happens and you don't have an image on your monitor. So that's a good way to not be stuck with an inactive monitor. Like we promised, there's a button here called Display Adapter Properties, where you can see all the modes that your monitor is capable of. When you left click, it will open your adapter properties, and here you can left click on the button that says List All Modes. It will show you a sort of a table where you can see all the resolutions combined with the different refresh rates. It is said that a higher refresh rate is easier on the eyes. So for example, if you spend a lot of time on your device, maybe you want to select a smaller resolution that offers a higher refresh rate. For example, we could select this resolution because it offers us the maximum our monitor is capable of, which is 75 Hz. So this will be easier on our eyes, but also offer us a good resolution so we don't see the images in pixels. Okay guys, this is general advice in regards to changing your refresh rate. We hope you find this helpful and put it to a good practical use. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe for future tips.